Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change last modified by in Microsoft Word. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our MS document. Now you see file, so click on it and then you see last modified by. So we are going to change this. So now back to document. So we are going to save document again. So click on it. So we document saved again. Again click on file and then you see last modified by, name is changed. If you want to change this name, now go to option and then you see username Hassan. So you can add username according to requirement, and when you save this file, then this username will appear in last modified by section in Microsoft Word. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.